Our top 5 best sliding miter saws. Number product. DEWALT sliding compound miter saw. If you are looking for a reputable brand of power tools, you can go with DEWALT. It also offers a sliding miter saw that offers decent performance to the user. The DEWALT DWS779 sliding miter saw is present in the first position in this article as it offers a great balance between price and performance. You get a powerful 15-amp electric motor in this saw. This powers a 12-inch cutting blade that is one of the largest options out there when compared with other options. Number product. BOSCH Glide Miter Saw. BOSCH can be another great option if you are looking for power tools as it offers a wide range of options. You can even find multiple sliding miter saws from BOSCH out there. BOSCH's sliding miter saw is present in the second position in this article as it can be a great option if you are looking for premium options. As per its name, it comes with a cutting blade that has a diameter of 12 inches that makes it one of the largest options out there. It uses a powerful 15-amp electric motor to power this cutting blade for easy cutting. Number product. Genesis Compound Miter Saw. Genesis is a brand of power tools that is known to make affordable and value-for options. This is also true for its sliding miter saw as mentioned in this article. This Genesis GMS 1015LC sliding miter saw is present in the third position in this article as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even then, you get decent performance from this miter saw. It comes with a 15-amp electric motor that offers high speed. Number product. Skil Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. Skil is a reliable seller of hardware tools including drills, drivers, sanders, screwdrivers, planers, and saws. Skil's dual bevel sliding miter saw features a powerful 15-amp motor to deliver up to 4,800 revolutions per minute for quick and detailed cuts. One of the distinct advantages of using this miter saw is that you will achieve a precision cut like no other. Unlike other miter saws that use laser guidance for precision cuts, this saw uses LED shadow lines. Using this, you can achieve higher precision than other miter saws. Number product. Metabo Compound Miter Saw. Metabo HPT stands for Metabo Hitachi Power Tools that offer a wide range of power tools. This even includes various sliding miter saw options. Metabo HPT C12RSH2S sliding miter saw is the most reliable and durable option present in this article. This is due to the reason that it offers an excellent build quality along with a 5-year-long warranty that is much better than other options out there. Thanks for watching this video.